Welcome, I'm Peter. Sit tight. I'm going to read you a poem. No cloud, no relic of the sunken day distinguishes the west, no long thin slip of sullen light, no obscure trembling hues. Come, we will rest on this old mossy bridge. You see the glimmer of the stream beneath, but hear no murmuring, it flows silently. Or its soft bed of verdure, all is still, a balmy night. And though the stars be dim, yet let us think upon the vernal showers that gladden the green earth, and we shall find a pleasure in the dimness of the stars. And hark, the nightingale begins its song. Most musical, most melancholy bird. A melancholy bird? Oh, idle thought. Now in nature there is nothing melancholy. But some night-wandering man, whose heart was pierced with the remembrance of a grievous wrong, or a slow distemper or neglected love, and so, poor wretch, filled all things with himself, and made all gentle sounds tell back the tale of his own sorrow. He, and such as he, first named these notes a melancholy strain. Yet many a poet echoes the conceit. And it goes on. It's a bit of a rambling poem, but that was kind of the gist. This is from The Nightingale by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Now, this is a poem about reimagination, about taking something that's commonly seen in a kind of negative light and reframing it into the positive light that it deserves. The poem does this for a bird, the nightingale, but I have grander ambitions. I want to do this for the laws of physics. You see, I'm not a poet. I'm not an artist of any kind. I'm a theoretical physicist. But the reason that I do what I do is because it's beautiful, because it's natural poetry. Poetry. I'm sure you've never heard it talked about like that before, but it's true. And I'm going to show you. Now, I know what many of you are probably thinking right now, but Peter, I hate math. Like I hate math. And physics is just math, right? Nope. No. Here's the thing. Physics is written in the language of mathematics, because that's what nature speaks. Nature speaks math, and so she writes her poetry in math. But as long as poetry has existed, it's been translated from language to language. So why should the poetry of the universe be any different? No, you just need a translator. That's what I'm here for. My project on this channel is this. I'm going to take you on a tour of 10 elements of theoretical physics, and I'm going to show you how to see that they're beautiful. My goal with this limited series is just to show you some of the extent and the diversity of beauty in this field. I'm going to leave you with a quote from Galileo. He said, "It, the book of nature, is written in the language of mathematics, and its characters are triangles and circles and yada yada, without which it's humanly impossible to understand a single word of it. Without these," he says, "one is wandering around in a dark labyrinth." Well, with all due respect to Mr. Galilei, he's missing something very important, right? We're not alone. We're in this labyrinth together. And all it takes is one of us to light a torch. And then it won't seem quite so dark and lonely after all. I hope that this channel can be that torch for you.